Have you ever wondered why, no matter how hard you work, financial freedom seems like a distant dream? Fed up with the endless battle to make ends meet, even while you're hustling and following the rules? Ever feel like there's a hidden trick in the money game but you just can't pinpoint what it is? What if I told you that the key to unlocking your financial potential has been hidden from you? Today, we're going to shatter the illusions and reveal the untold truths about money that could change your life forever. Get ready to challenge everything you thought you knew about wealth and embark on a journey that will not only open your eyes, but could also open the doors to a future you never thought possible. Well, brace yourself, because today we're about to unveil secrets about cash that they've been keeping under wraps. Get set for a journey that'll turn your financial world around. This isn't just another financial advice video, this is the beginning of a new chapter in your life. So, are you ready to uncover the secrets to mastering your money and reclaiming your power? Let's dive in and transform your financial destiny. Forget the old myth that wealth comes from grinding away at studies, work and savings. That's a straight road to staying stuck in poverty. Have you met a millionaire who built their fortune just from a salary? To put it in plain terms, the usual path of education, getting a job, and saving isn't the golden ticket to financial prosperity. It's a trap, keeping us in a never-ending cycle of need and scarcity. Don't get me wrong, education is good, and going to school is awesome. I am educated with a master's degree. The big shots in charge don't want you to clue in about the true nature of money making. They prefer to keep us in the dark, powerless, so they can profit from our struggles. In this video, you're going to learn the real deal about managing money and turning it to your advantage. Discover the hidden truths about wealth creation, how to start from scratch, and how to step out of the endless rat race. All it takes is the right attitude, skills, and tactics. And hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more insightful content. I'm about to peel back the curtain on wealth-building secrets and the lesser-known truths of money. Let's delve into the intriguing world of the global economy, often the center of lively discussions. Picture the global economy as a vast sea, teeming with various entities, all contributing to a complex environment. While governments have a crucial role, they don't fully command the economic seas. This dynamic interlinked network includes governments, financial powerhouses, businesses, and even us, the individuals. In this intricate web, a single nation's decision can send waves across the global financial scene. Yet, it's vital to grasp that the global economy isn't solely driven by government policies. Trade deals, technological leaps, market dynamics, and consumer actions all play their parts. Imagine a giant jigsaw puzzle, each piece symbolizing a different aspect of the global economy. Governments possess some puzzle pieces, but not the complete picture. Financial giants like banks, investment companies, and central banks also hold substantial pieces, molding monetary policies and directing capital flows. Furthermore, global corporations leave a significant mark on the world economy. These giants cross borders, sparking innovation, creating jobs, and amassing wealth. Their moves can sway markets and influence economies across the globe. But what about us? Regular folks, are we just passive bystanders in this economic dance? Not at all. Our spending choices and investment moves collectively shape the economic landscape. So it's evident that the global economy is a joint venture, with various players each playing their part. Governments wield a hefty influence in policymaking, but must navigate through a tangled network of relationships. They must balance the needs of their people, fiscal responsibilities, and respond to international economic trends. Why do so many believe governments control it all? Likely because government actions like fiscal policies and trade deals are highly visible. It seems natural to think they're the sole economic drivers. However, think of the global economy as an orchestra, with various instruments harmonizing to produce a beautiful melody. Each entity, be it governments, financial institutions, companies, or individuals, adds to this melody. Understanding this complexity enables us to see the bigger picture and make informed financial choices. It reminds us of our own power to shape our financial destinies within this global framework. So the next time someone claims governments run the entire global economy, you'll have the insight for a deeper discussion. It's about recognizing the collective effort that forms our financial world. Now, who truly controls our money? And why? Let's uncover this. These institutions can generate currency, dictate interest rates, and steer the direction of capital. But what's the reason behind their dominant role? It boils down to the essence of our financial structure. Money, at its core, is a system of trust. We, as a society, collectively assign value to bits of paper and digital figures. These financial gatekeepers uphold the trust and stability we rely on for our transactions. Take central banks, for instance. They're tasked with issuing currency, setting interest rates, and overseeing monetary policy. Their goal? To keep prices stable and ensure the economy's well-being. Their decisions touch businesses, governments, and individuals alike. Then there are commercial banks, the places where most of us stash our cash. They handle transactions, extend loans, and offer various financial services. When we deposit money, we're trusting them to keep it safe and available for our use. In exchange, they use a part of our deposits to lend to others, earning profits from the interest. Investment firms and hedge funds are major players too. They manage huge sums, investing in stocks, bonds, derivatives, and more. Their choices can influence market trends, alter stock values, and shape the economy's direction. So why do these financial institutions have such control over our funds? They've got the expertise, resources, and networks to navigate the complex financial world. They access market data and cutting-edge tech, making informed decisions and maximizing investment returns. Their power also stems from the very structure of our economic system. Capitalism, in its present form, hinges on the circulation of capital and the pursuit of profit. It's through these financial institutions that funds are allocated, businesses receive backing, and economic growth is fueled. Consequently, these entities have enormous influence over wealth and resource distribution. By arming ourselves with financial know-how, exploring investment avenues, and seeking wealth-building opportunities, we can start to even the odds. Taking charge of our personal finances lets us maneuver through the financial system's complexities toward our own economic objectives. Now that we've identified who's in charge, let's delve into how we can take control of our financial futures. We're about to reveal some money truths that often go untold. If you're finding value in this video, drop a comment with more to let us know. Set your sights on clear financial goals. What does financial freedom mean to you? Retiring early, globetrotting, or launching a business? Map out your objectives and break them into achievable steps. Keep tabs on your journey. Building a solid financial base is crucial. This involves managing your outgoings, drafting a budget, and living within your means. Be intentional about your expenditures, making every dollar count towards your financial liberation. Investing is a crucial step in mastering your financial future. Simply saving isn't enough. Your money needs to grow. Learn about various investment options like stocks, real estate, or starting a business. Spread your investments and take risks aligned with your goals. Perseverance and patience are your allies in wealth building. It's a journey filled with highs and lows, but staying committed and adaptable is key. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is financial independence. Now let's debunk some common myths about money and uncover deeper truths. Ever wonder why some people seem to effortlessly gather wealth while others toil from paycheck to paycheck? The root issue lies in our education system and the deep-seated beliefs we grow up with. We're conditioned to accept a scarcity mindset, to save and not seek abundance. Our society has engineered a framework that nudges us towards financial limitation. From our early days, we're ingrained with the notion that cash is limited and we should tuck away what we earn into banks. This mindset hampers our potential to thrive financially. By understanding this, we can start to shift our perspective and take control of our financial narrative. The journey begins with a mindset overhaul, moving from a passive stance to an empowered approach. Let go of the idea that you're doomed to be at money's mercy. Embrace the belief that you have the power to cultivate wealth and financial abundance. Taking control of your financial destiny starts with self-education. Commit to becoming a lifelong student of finance. Dive into books, attend workshops, tune into podcasts, and connect with financially successful individuals. Draw lessons from their journeys, soak up their insights, and adapt their strategies to fit your life. Next, it's crucial to outline specific financial aspirations. What does being financially independent look like for you? Is it about quitting your job early, seeing the world, or kickstarting your own venture? Define these goals and chart a course to realize them. Break them down into manageable steps and monitor your progress. Having a robust financial foundation is key. This means controlling your expenses, establishing a budget, and spending wisely. It's about conscious decisions on where your money goes, ensuring every penny propels you closer to financial liberty. Investing is another vital component in mastering your financial future. Mere saving isn't sufficient. You need to put your money to work. Educate yourself on different investment options, be it stocks, property, mutual funds, or initiating your own enterprise. Diversify your investments and take well-thought-out risks that align with your financial objectives. Don't overlook the importance of persistence and patience in your wealth-building journey. It is a marathon, not a sprint, filled with ups and downs. Stay focused, make necessary adjustments, and keep your eyes on the prize, your financial freedom. Thanks for tuning into our channel. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more smart investment advice. Drop us a comment below with your thoughts or questions. And here's to your investing success. Profitable investing.